Now today we will talk about the orbital angular momentum of the electron. So quantum mechanically, the orbital angular momentum is given as, now this orbital angular momentum, this is denoted by L, orbital equal to square root of L into L plus 1 into H upon 2 pi, where L equal to orbital angular quantum number, orbital quantum number. So this L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and so on. This L is for S, this is for P, this is for D, this is for F. So these are the orbitals. So for S orbital, L equal to 0, for P orbital, L equal to 1, for D orbital, this is now 2, for F orbital, this L equal to 3 and so on. H Planck's constant. H Planck's constant, so this H upon 2 pi. So now for S orbital electron, for S orbital electron, Ls equal to, this is now 0 because here we have this L equal to 0. For P, orbital electron, this L equal to 1, this is now this formula. So this Lp equal to square root of 1 into 1 plus 1 into H upon 2 pi. So this Lp equal to square root of 2 into H upon 2 pi. This is not so much. Now for D orbital electron, L equal to 2, so this LD equal to square root of 2 into 2 plus 1 into H upon 2 pi. So this is now your 3 to the 6, so square root of 6 into H upon 2 pi. This is equal to for D orbital electron. For F orbital electron, for F orbital electron, L equal to 3. So this L F equal to square root of 3 into 3 plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. So this LF equal to 4, this is now square root of 12. So now we can write out this square root of 3 into h upon pi. This is not so much. So now if you take the ratio of this LP, LD and LF, then you can find to this one, but this LS is equal to 0. It means that for s orbital electron, the angular momentum is 0. So if we find the ratio, so this L, P ratio, LD ratio, LF, this is equal to square root of 2 will cancel from all. So this is now your 1 square root of, this is now 6, so this is now 3, and this is now your 4, so square root of 6. This is the ratio. So as we can see that as this L increases, the orbital angular momentum increases. This is now root 2 times, this is now root 6 times, this is now root 12 times. So now in this way, as the orbital quantum number increases, the orbital quantum number, this orbital angular momentum also increases. So this is about the orbital angular momentum of the electron. So thank you.